Not yet. Government pumps brake on fare increase, which was to take effect on April 1. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug. Also this evening, St. Elizabeth Police seeking residents' help in locating men seen in video robbing patrons and business operators. And youth urged to use social media platforms to increase lobbying for environmental preservation. There's also Saturday sports special and weather in this newscast. So please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.